You guys, I just found the cutest little camper ever. It is so stinking cute, and I bought it. So here she is. Wait, don't leave. This isn't your standard little ugly pop-up camper. Wait. Tell me that ain't cute. Oh God, what a cutie little A-frame. Welcome to my humble abode. Oh, let's see, pull this up, I guess. Nice. No. Welcome to the Gypsy Chalet.
What's that?
That used to be a window, and they said they painted it because it was just got so hot. It was just nothing but like a terrarium in here. But got a full-size bed, 2-burner stove, a sink, and it has a 15-gallon freshwater tank underneath, Dometic fridge, and this is all run off propane. On this side, got a couch, some storage. Oh God, where did he pull it? Oh, right here. What is that? What? Oh, yeah. Level? Pretty level. Lights, which he unplugged the battery. There's a battery up front with a solar panel on it that runs these lights here. It runs the pump for the sink, and it runs the fans up here. We'll open this up. Open this up. Oh, I can turn it here, I guess. Oh, there we go, there we go. You hooking up the battery? Yeah, and then he said there's this thing here. And then the solar panel plugs into the one on where it shows the solar panel. This one here.
It's a solar controller. It's a tiny solar controller.
So yeah, that plugs in that. Marine and RV deep cycle battery. And then it has 2 propane tanks as well. And he said it has like a little gauge or whatever, or a thing that I just turn it once one gets empty. You can switch it over to the other one, which I thought was pretty cool. Something else. She's so cute. I love A-frames. I really want an A-frame cabin in the woods on a creek.
I just heard something.
Yep. Got some storage down here. It's got storage on the other side. Has your, is this 110 or 220? This is one. What is these plugs? I forget. 110.
And your
okay. Spare tire. And then this is the shore power. He said it's like got like a 20-foot cord on it. Drain outlet for the gray water and freshwater connection to fill up the tank. Oh, that's to fill up the, oh wait.
Potable water only. So this is your freshwater fill.
Okay, that's where you put the fresh water in. And this is, then what's this?
Drain outlet.
No, this is the drain, but this freshwater connector.
That's if you're gonna hook up to city water.
Oh, if you're gonna be at like a campground, you could hook up there. Here's more storage in here. Oh my gosh. Oh, the sunset looks so cool through there. So let's see if all the stuff works. I wonder if there's any water in it. I forgot to ask him. This needs to be pulled out there.
Stopped on the way and filled it up.
I know.
You could just drive it over, drag it over.
Yeah, bring it into town. All right, so lights. cool. Any more lights? Oh, more lights over here.
What's that cord?
So cool. This, oh, it's just an extension cord. He had it over here. He made this, which is a, watch out, Bentley, which is a little,
That's cute.
yeah, to hang stuff and put your food on and cups. And there's a little light he put up here too, which is battery operated, and you charge it through a USB thing right there. So I want to see.
Where's the water pump? It's got to be that.
I don't know. Oh, maybe this one?
Yep.
Oh, see if there's any water in there. I think she's empty. I think it's empty.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. So this is what I want to see if it works.
Oh, there's the other level.
The propane. Oh, yeah. We're a little off. Not bad. Not bad.
120.
There we go. Now I can see. Oh, okay, the fuse boxes and stuff.
That's
This
for a
is-
heater, AC, heat breaker.
This is a cover. Oh, and there's a table down underneath there too that pops up in between this.
There's a dinette.
Yeah, he said that they never used that though. They just kept it down as a... This will come up. Benny, what do you think? She is just so cute. I can't get over it. I've never seen a pop-up camper that had a hardtop on it. Like the canvas that goes out on the side, you know, those are ugly and just like have no insulation and I don't know, boring to me. But then I saw this and it was only 20 minutes from my house and it's just, I love it. I love it. I love the A-frame. I can't get enough of that. I just love that style. So I'm super excited. Now I have to think about decor ideas. What am I going to decorate this? I'm gonna have to do something super freaking cute with this thing, and there's so many different ideas I have right now. If you have some really cool ideas and some paint colors and stuff like that, I definitely am gonna paint the inside. I possibly may paint the outside, we'll see. But let me know, put some comments down below of some colors that you think would look really cool or different decor themes ideas that I could do with this. You guys, we have babies. So me and Bentley went to Tractor Supply today, which we go there quite often, and we've been wanting to get ducks for quite some time now, but every time we go they're all out of them. So we decided to stop by today, and there was 4 of them left, and the lady right before me bought all 4 of them. So we were a little bummed, but then she overheard me talking to the sales associate saying that, yeah, we were gonna buy some ducks, but you know, you're all out of them. And the lady came over to me and she's like, I don't even really want these birds. I just got talked into them. So if you want 2 of them, you can have 2 of them. So we got 2 of them. Check these little guys out. Hello, little ones. Hello, hello. You're so pretty. Hi, babies. What do you think, Benny? You like the babies? Huh? You like the babies? What are we gonna name them? You got Splish Splash? He's a baby, so precious. Oh, babies. Little babies. Your little webbed feet are so cute. He's so cute. Look at them little precious little things. Oh, web. Hi, babies. Hi, baby. See my babies. So me and Bentley are gonna need some help trying to pick out some names for these 2 little guys. We want something that kind of goes with the theme of what we got going on here at the micro tiny house retreat. So if any of you guys have any really cool names, that you can offer, let us know. And we'd love to give them some names, and we'd love to name them from you guys.